If you are replacing the encoder motor, or also called the shift motor, on your 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500, then you are at the right place. First thing you will want to do is locate the encoder motor on the back side of your transfer case. Unplug the motor by pushing in on the center tab to release and pulling out as the mechanic shows here. We will be removing the 4 bolts the mechanic points out here. To do so, you will need a Torx 40 socket. With the 4 bolts out, pull on the encoder motor to remove. You will lose a bit of transfer case fluid. Clean this up with a rag. To start the new motor, just insert it in where the old one came out. Twist it back and forth to line the gears up in the transfer case, and it should slide in until it is right against the case. Start each bolt with your fingers so you don't cross-thread the bolts. Run each bolt in, but don't tighten. These bolts need to be torqued. Torque each bolt to 13 foot-pounds. Push the plug back in until you hear it click or snap into place. And there you have it, how to swap the encoder motor on your 2015 Chevrolet 1500. Hope this video helped you guys. Please give a like and subscribe.